Bitcoin is back to all-time highs. Where is it going to go from here? Is it going to continue to rocket to the upside? Are we going to see 120? Are we going to see 130, 140, 200,000? Well, nobody really knows. But the fact is that we just broke another all-time high. So congratulations, everybody who has been holding Bitcoin, who's been a believer in Bitcoin. It is a truly remarkable feed, especially since it's been down here at 75,000 just not too long ago. And what a rocket ship to the upside it has been. And one of the ways that I think that you can continue to trade Bitcoin is with basically trading triangles with it. And so what I mean is that, so I'm going to put up my software here called the TriTrader Plus. And basically how I like to trade it is whenever I see, so Bitcoin notoriously tightens up in specific spots. And when it breaks out, when it has a breakout, you get a nice either upward or downward move. So the last couple ones have been really good. And so with this software, basically what it does is if there's a symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle, descending, symmetrical, descending, pretty much any kind of triangle out there, it'll paint it on the chart for you. And here was the previous one. And this was actually a descending wedge, a nice little descending wedge breakout right there. And then it just continued to just go up, go sideways for a little bit here on the 1 hour chart, and then another nice breakout. So how could you trade Bitcoin, or how basically what I'm going to do, how I'm going to approach it is I'm going to use tools like this. And so I'm going to use breakouts. I'm going to use triangle breakouts as key levels, as position myself to where I'm getting in, getting out at the proper times, because holding Bitcoin sometimes could be a little bit stressful, especially if if you're just in it for long term, not stressful. I mean, you can, you just hold, buy and hold, right? And that's the kind of the name of the game with Bitcoin. But if you're trying to get in and out of these quick trades like this, a tool like TriTrader is what I love. And in something like this where I really enjoy getting in these little breakout opportunities, not even really a scalp, but more like a day trade. And so something like this, I think, could be a really nice way to trade this. And so again, I'll throw a link in the description if you're interested in this software. But yeah, I just kind of want to show you guys, just talk about how I'm trading this. And, it's pretty cool to see Bitcoin just continue to there's a lot of haters. And so it just continues to rocket and do really well. Where do we go from here? I think that, if we can if Bitcoin can continue to stay above some of these levels right here, maybe go a little sideways. If we start to see if we start to see a little breakdown like this, we'll probably check back into somewhere in this general area of 100,000. I would definitely say so. But honestly, I think just nobody really can say otherwise right now, because it's just been so strong the last few days. But I could see maybe potentially a bull, if it does continue to go up, a nice little bull flag, something where it'll just continue to do something like this, and then before it'll eventually make its way back up to the upside. So, we'll see. We'll continue to monitor it, but what I'm going to be doing is, again, focusing on these lower time frames, and just whenever I get a triangle, I'm going to be grabbing those. So a couple different ways you could trade it, either buy, hold, buying at the all-time highs. Everybody always freaks out about that. But, if you believe in Bitcoin, you're a buyer up here, you're a buyer down at 70,000, you're a buyer anywhere. So you just continue to hold it. And over time, over the years, as it continues to move its way up, I think, you're going to be happy either way. So few different strategies, few different ways. This is the way I like to do it: in and out quickly, get in down here, out right there. But whatever you want to do, you can do it.